Imagine pulling into a luxury resort only to realize the most elegant vehicle there is actually your home. At first glance, this incredible motorhome looks like something that belongs in the Rolls-Royce family with its commanding presence, handcrafted details, and unmistakable aura of prestige. But this isn't just another high-end RV, it's a rolling luxury mansion designed for travelers who refuse to compromise on comfort, technology, or style. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most breathtaking luxury motorhomes ever created, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why so many people are calling it the Rolls-Royce inspired palace on wheels. From the outside, every inch of this motorhome has been carefully sculpted to create a bold yet elegant appearance. The massive front grille, sleek early lighting, polished chrome accents, and premium paint finish immediately give it a sophisticated personality. Its streamlined body isn't just beautiful, it also improves aerodynamics, helping this enormous machine glide more efficiently down the highway. Massive panoramic windows provide incredible views, while allowing natural light to flood the living spaces. Hidden storage compartments blend seamlessly into the bodywork, giving us plenty of room for luggage, outdoor furniture, and travel essentials without disrupting the clean exterior design. Even the automatic awning and exterior entertainment area transform any parking spot into a luxurious outdoor lounge. Step inside and the experience becomes even more impressive. The cabin feels more like an upscale penthouse than a motorhome. Rich leather seating, handcrafted wood finishes, polished metal accents, and soft ambient lighting create an atmosphere of pure elegance. Every material feels premium to the touch, reminding you that this vehicle was designed for those who appreciate true craftsmanship. The spacious living area offers plush reclining sofas, a large smart television, premium surround sound, and a fireplace that creates an incredibly cozy atmosphere. The kitchen rivals many luxury apartments, featuring stone countertops, high-end appliances, induction cooking, a residential refrigerator, and generous storage for extended trips. Whether you're preparing breakfast or hosting dinner for guests, every detail has been designed for convenience and luxury. The bedroom continues the five-star hotel experience with a king-size bed, elegant lighting, large wardrobes, and thoughtful storage solutions throughout. The bathroom is equally impressive, offering a spacious walk-in shower, premium fixtures, stylish vanities, and luxury finishes that make every morning feel like you're staying at an exclusive resort. Technology plays a huge role throughout the motorhome. Smart climate controls, integrated security systems, automated lighting, voice commands, wireless charging, high-speed connectivity, and digital control panels allow owners to manage nearly every function with minimal effort. Solar panels, advanced battery systems, and efficient energy management also make extended off-grid adventures much more practical. Despite its enormous size, this luxury motorhome delivers an impressively refined driving experience. A powerful diesel engine provides the strength needed for long-distance touring, while advanced suspension systems smooth out rough roads and reduce driver fatigue. Modern driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, surround view cameras, and automatic emergency braking help make every journey safer and more relaxing. Noise insulation is exceptional, allowing conversations and entertainment to continue without constant road noise interrupting the experience. Of course, luxury on this level comes with a premium price tag. Depending on customization, equipment, and exclusive options, a Rolls-Royce inspired luxury motorhome can easily cost anywhere from several $100,000 to well over $1 million. For buyers seeking unmatched comfort, prestige, and the freedom to travel without sacrificing luxury, many believe every dollar is well spent. This isn't simply transportation. It's a statement of success, freedom, and adventure wrapped in extraordinary craftsmanship. If you could travel anywhere in the world with this incredible luxury motorhome, where would your first destination be? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing luxury vehicles and unforgettable automotive experiences.
Never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that old.